To download your T-Mobile bill, start by logging into the T-Mobile app using your fingerprint, Face ID, or password. Once logged in, navigate to the Account or More section, usually found at the bottom. From there, select the Billing tab. You'll see your current and past bills listed, categorized by account type, like mobile or internet. Select the specific bill you want, either a monthly statement or a receipt for an individual transaction. To download, tap the bill and choose the Download PDF option. The PDF will be saved to your device or cloud services like iCloud or Google Drive. Downloading is free, and once saved, you can view the bill offline. Remember, you can access up to 24 months of historical statements. T-Mobile offers two main types of downloadable bills: monthly statements, which are full bills, and receipts, which are for individual payments or transactions. Both are available as PDFs and contain itemized charges, taxes, and payment details. Digital billing is becoming increasingly popular, with 70% of T-Mobile customers already using the app for downloads as of 2025. Future app updates may include AI to summarize bills and detect unexpected charges. T-Mobile aims for 100% digital billing by 2030, aligning with sustainability goals. Expect to see expanded features for smart home integrations and enhanced privacy measures like blockchain-verified PDFs in upcoming releases. Overall, the app offers quick and easy bill management, a key factor in customer satisfaction.